2in1 design. Use grill and stove at the same time. 130 square in grilling area. Stove fits a 10 in pan. Cooking power. Up to 20,000 total BTUs. Pressure regulator. Pressure control technology provides consistent performance, even in extreme conditions. PERFECTHEAT technology offers more efficient cooking with less fuel. 2 adjustable burners for precise temperature control. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect replacement for the grill that came with my outdoor kitchen on my camper. This grill is much better than the one my camper came with. The grill grate does not warp, heats evenly, is easy to clean, and the meat does not stick to the grill. Even heat distribution really makes the difference, and I love the side burner for heating a pot of water. I commonly use it to boil shrimp while I am cooking steaks. Great investment for my outdoor kitchen on my camper.